Hey everybody, the Corinnia here, and if I talk funny, it's because I got a mouth full of fangs, and see, 3 sets, and I'm here today to unbox my one-up box, and the theme is despair. Here, if you see me fiddling with my mouth, it's because I'm putting fangs back in place. Okay, first we have a Walking Dead Dorbs. Who's that? Oh, it's Rick Grimes. Yeah. Adorable. I'll probably give that to my sister. She's a bigger fan than I am. Check with the last. We have Mighty Minis. Batman versus Superman. What? Make sure this thing is really is despair. Like, I don't know what that has to do with that, but oh, I ain't even trying to open that up with my nails on. Because for pressure on. Because ain't nobody got time for glue. And the little mini is a limbless Superman. Whoa. I'll put a picture of it, like, somewhere. And, because I ain't putting it together. Ooh. Little temporary tattoos. Spoopy. So cute. I don't know why that is despair, because those are super cute. Really orange. Ooh. This Nightmare Before Christmas sticker. Super cute. I love Nightmare Before Christmas. Orange. And the last thing before the shirt is the pin. Super cute. And just in case you were admiring the horns, I made these out of cardboard, Mod Podge, and toilet paper. So if you are super bored, make your own horns, whatever. And okay, yeah, there we go. What color? You sure it is it? Is it cool? Is it cool? Yes, I was copying Johnny. Oh, that is great! Oh, I love that. And I don't know how any of that fits into the theme of despair, because all of that was great and super cute. And I will be back soon with my Loot Crate unboxings. So, pleasant nightmares.